Hi clarinets, we're going to do one of my favorite songs today. This is number 31, and the first thing that we have is we have a brand new note. We have the note A right here. It's in our second space. I'm going to write it in right there. Now I know I make a big deal about not writing in our note names, but now when we have a brand new note, it's okay to write it in for the first time that you see it, just to help you remember, okay? Now, the A key that we're going to use is right here. It's very important that when you play it with your pirate hook, okay? It's not designed to be used with your fingertip. You are going to use your pirate hook so that you play it with your knuckle here, and you can rock back and forth to it. You don't press anything else. We're not doing anything with the thumb. All of our fingers are staying close. It's just we're using the side of our finger to hit the A key. So going through the notes, we have C, C, G, G, A, G. Now I'm really exaggerating. I'm pulling my hands far away so you can see, but when I play, I'm gonna keep my hands super close so that you almost can't even tell what I'm playing. That's how close I want you to keep your fingers. After the G, then we have F, F, E, E, D, D, C. Now I'm going to go get my metronome on and we're going to practice saying it. Remember, you can't play it until you can say it. Okay, 1, 2, ready, go. C, C, G, G, A, G. Now when we play A, we also are going to want to put down our bottom fingers. It makes it sound better. Otherwise, when we play with the trumpets, we're going to fight like this. And when we play with the flutes, we're going to fight like this. So when we play A all by itself, we're going to want to put down our bottom hand to make it sound better. Like this. Ready, go. C, C, G, G, A, G. You don't have to put down all 3 fingers if you don't want, at least 2. I like to do all 3. Now let's practice playing it. Find your first note. 1, 2, ready. Do you see how close I kept my fingers? And when I played my A, you probably couldn't even tell that I dropped down my bottom hand. All right, let's do it again. Ready. Now next we have a step down. We're just going to walk our fingers down. F, F, E, E, D, D, C. F, F, E, E, D, D, C. Let's play it. 1, 2, ready. Now let's connect measures 1 through 4. 1, 2, set, and sound familiar? It's Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. Now, the book calls it a Mozart melody because they want to surprise you. And Mozart wrote a song that we now use as Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star, and I'll show you that in the links later. It's a really, really fun song. But now I want you to notice a pattern here. Measure 1 to measure 4 is exactly the same as measure 5 to the end. We call this in music an ABA pattern. Okay? The first section is A. We have something different, and we end with exactly the same thing. Okay? So here's our new note again, but because you know that this is exactly the same as this, it should help you remember it. That when you're in this space, you're thinking about your A. All right? Let's go over the letter names. Ready, go. C, C, G, G, A, G, F, F, E, E, D, D, C. Let's play it. 1, 2, set. Oh, my mistake, I got distracted. 1, 2, ready. Now we need to get this second part, this B part. Here we have G, G, F, F, E, E, D, and then notice down here, it's exactly the same thing. Mozart liked patterns, he liked repeating himself. He came up with a good idea, he might as well repeat it. Same exact notes. So let's practice it. Let's do it again. With our fingers, ready, go. G, G, F, F, E, E, D, G, G, F, F, E, E, D. Now let's play it. 1, 2, ready, 3. And that brings us right back to where we started, here at the beginning of Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. Now, let's put the whole thing together, starting from the beginning. 1, 2, beginning. And that's Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. Have fun, guys.